Our 11th episode is all about a girl named Abigail. She's single and working as an internal communications associate in a beverage company. She's planning to create content for her new online video channel. She likes to go shopping sometimes when there is a sale, and after that, she gives a review of the product whether it is good or not, and this is the content of her channel. A few months after she started her channel, she noticed that her subscribers and views were few, so she asked in the comments section of her channel what else should be improved to make her video content better. Her subscribers read it, and one of them was Herbert. Herbert is also single, working as email marketing coordinator, and he likes Abigail to be his girlfriend. Herbert is a freelance videographer. He studied a short course on the proper way to take a video shoot. So, he advised Abigail to make her vlog or video presentation even better. He taught her that her camera shot should be in landscape mode instead of portrait, so that it is better to watch it on TV or mobile phone. Second, he taught her how to make her camera shot HD or high definition, proper lighting, and where to buy a clip-on microphone to make her voice clearer, and Abigail followed what Herbert advised to her. After a few weeks, Abigail's online video channel started to grow. Her subscribers started to increase, and the number of views increased as well, and she started to earn money. After that, Abigail and Herbert started dating, and they became close friends and eventually became a couple.